Let's go and see Mr. Charlie Shelton. Digging his oats, bro.
How you doing?
Alright, mate. You?
Yeah, not bad, not bad. Come and jump in.
Yeah, how you doing? Yeah. Hello, sir. Very well, sir. Very well. Yourself?
Yeah, pretty good actually. Yeah, really good. Oh. That drive down is just really nice.
Spectacular, is it?
Well, just go through Haversack.
Yeah.
Really nice. And then you go through like Bamford and Castle. It does.
Spork, titanium clusters.
Come at me.
Come at me. Go on. Go on.
Shall I do it?
I'll stop doing that sound effect. Can't get enough of it. Yeah, good morning, sir. Hey! Hey, you!
Here he is.
Hi, how are you, Canon G7X? It's Tweedy. I'm going by Tweedy nowadays. I've gone back old school. Gone back to Tweedy.
Wow, okay.
Not rich no more. Tweedy.
Well, he's actually known as many things.
That's right. Many.
Let's go. Let's roll with that.
Pseudonyms. Shits and giggles. Well, that didn't last long, did it? Look. Oi. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. All the ridges in the world, and people just turn up when you don't want them to.
Get shy when there's people around.
Shy when talking.
People passing.
People are passing and thinking like, what's this dick doing
Suck
here?
it up, get used to it.
Suck it up, talking to it. So, Charlie, where we at, bro?
Well, we're parked up in Hope. We climbed up Loose Hill. We've came along the Great Ridge, Mammut. We're now on Rush Up Edge. Over there is Lord's Seat.
Where all the fell runners come. So, see these guys. Morning! How we doing?
Very well, you?
All the better for seeing you guys, lads. Fell runners, gotta love them. Shout out to those guys. Getting amongst it on a Sunday morning. What are you doing? Let me know in the comments below. That's below. Sheep shit.
Not even joking.
Not even joking. And we're just looking over at Kinder Scout, which you might not be able to pick out too well with the GoPro, but believe me, under those clouds and rain is the wool packs. And then we're gonna mooch on back, seeing if we can get to Win Hill, and then we are gonna go back to the car, because if we don't, we're knackered. We might end up at the Ramblers Inn. Was it the Ramblers Inn? It was the Ramblers Inn at Edale.
It was at Edale, yeah, but it's not like we've got a table booked or anything.
No, we've not got a table booked at 4:30 or anything like that for two, with champagne on ice. Candlelit dinner. That's how I treat them. Anyway, enough of that. We'll get on it. Hello everybody, we're back. We are at Kinder Scout. The weather has been pretty much chucking it down, so we've not done a lot of filming. We've been trying to soldier on, doing the Great Ridge, and then rush uphill, and then we've come across all the stones, which is near the route to Hayfield. So that was pain in the soles, eh, Charlie?
Pain in the proverbial.
Pain in the ass. So we're just going to get some grub, get some warm, sit on our lovely sit pads, and take a look at the view. The weather's just getting a bit misty, but it's dry enough and it's not too cold, so it's cool.
Still pretty nice.
So we can't grumble. So getting some miles in our legs for today on a Sunday. So I will try and show you a bit of that, but we'll do a bit more as I attempt not to fall over.
That's all good.
Charlie, what you saying? I could spear him on camera, look. Beautiful view.
Yeah, it was a beer cup. Yeah, it's liquid.
Sorry, I was pointing the camera at them. Not got my notes. I love this one.
It's great.